Imagine a creature with a mane like a lion, but made of translucent silk. Its threads stretch longer than a blue whale, trailing through freezing seas like the train of a phantom bride. Every filament, a weapon. Every pulse, a breath without lungs. This is the Lion's Mane Jellyfish documentary, a journey into the largest jellyfish on Earth, a drifting cathedral armed with millions of microscopic harpoons. And it has no brain, no heart, no bones, just intention, wrapped in venom and beauty. A jellyfish is 95% water, the rest pure ancient efficiency. The Lion's Mane Jellyfish, Cyanea capillata, is a Cnidarian, one of Earth's oldest body plans, perfected over 500 million years. No brain, no blood, no lungs, just a nerve net that senses light, chemistry, and touch. Its bell, up to 8 feet wide, pulses to move. Its tentacles, up to 120 feet long, drift to trap. And inside those tentacles, millions of nematocysts, microscopic harpoons coiled like springs, loaded with venom. When prey brushes past, a fish, a krill, even plankton, the cells explode. Faster than a bullet, sharper than a surgical needle. The barb pierces flesh, venom floods in, paralysis, capture, consumption. It's a killing system so efficient, evolution never needed to improve it. This is the largest jellyfish in the world by tentacle span. Not the heaviest, not the deadliest, but the longest. A living net cast across the abyss. The lion's mane is a child of cold water, Arctic seas, North Atlantic currents, the shores of Scandinavia, Scotland, and Alaska. Most of the year, they drift alone. Silent hunters riding invisible highways of plankton and tide. But every few years, something shifts. Temperature, currents, prey abundance. And the sea transforms. Jellyfish blooms. Thousands, tens of thousands, sometimes millions. Drifting forests that appear overnight, tangled fishing nets, clog water intakes, and wash ashore in translucent mountains. Why do they bloom? Warmer winters, shifting currents, overfishing of their predators, turtles, sunfish, seabirds. The ocean is changing, and jellyfish are answering. They are marine enigmas, both symptom and survivor. In myth, they were omens. Fishermen called them sea ghosts. Sailors believed they marked the boundary between the known world and the uncharted ocean. For most people, the lion's mane jellyfish is a painful memory, a sting, welts that burn for hours. Rare cases, nausea, muscle cramps, shock. But death? Almost never. The venom isn't designed to kill humans. We're not prey. We're accidents. For scientists, though, this creature is something else entirely. A floating library, a living chemical archive. Researchers are studying lion's mane venom for medical breakthroughs, pain blockers, anti-inflammatory compounds, even cancer research. Because what paralyzes a fish might one day heal a human. But here's the deeper truth. The lion's mane isn't invading our oceans. We are changing theirs. Warmer seas, fewer predators, more nutrients from runoff. These deep ocean mysteries aren't just curiosities, they're messengers. Blooms are warnings written in flesh and venom. The ocean is speaking. Are we listening? We drift past the last bell as twilight falls, a creature older than most continents, longer than the largest whale, fragile as blown glass. No brain to fear, no heart to break, just intention, just survival. The lion's mane reminds us, life can be enormous, delicate, and unknowable, all at once. And the ocean. The ocean writes its own rules.